Mobilization of society for school infrastructure and for spreading social awareness among children. I am Sapna Verma, TGT Mathematics, and right now I am working in Kendriya Vidyalaya number 7, Jaipur. I have been working in Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan since 25 of years of age. So lots and lots of work I have done. The first I would like to say on cleanliness drive. The Swachhta Abhiyan was also done by the government itself. So all the Kendriya Vidyalayas they also did, and we also did in Kendriya Vidyalaya Tong, Kendriya Vidyalaya number 7, KV number 5, etc. etc. In Kendriya Vidyalaya Tong, there was a Kasturba hostel nearby, and the backyard of that Kasturba hostel was very dirty. Even the premises of the school was also dirty. So once I was in charge principal of that school. So I called the Parshad of the local area. The Parshad sent a JCP, and with that help of the JCP, with 8 hours of the job, that JCP cleaned the whole area. And after that, we all teachers started our own work with the kids, with the parents, with the other people, nearby people, and we cleaned the whole up area. Here, once there was no stage in the Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan too. So, with the help of the people and the teachers, we all collected money and we donated money, and then we made a stage there in Kendriya Vidyalaya too. There was also a project in Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, that is called Bala project, that is building as learning aid. So after cleaning up all the premises and the nearby areas in Kendriya Vidyalaya Tong, in Kendriya Vidyalaya 5, we started decorating the walls with the help of the art teacher. The art teacher used to draw on the walls, and I with my students used to fill up the colors on the walls, and we made a maths corner, we made a science corner, and the door where it is to open, we made some angles like that, and the whole building was prepared for the Bala project. Then Fit India Plog Run started again by the government of the India, so it was observed everywhere in the school. Kendriya Vidyalaya 7 Jaipur also introduced Fit India Plog Run. And Fit India Plog Run, we students, teachers, and we also called the parents of the students. And my school is in CISF 8th CISF battalion. All the CISF person were also with us. We made a 2 kilometer, 3 kilometer run. We went all around the CISF area and collected all polythenes, all waste material from the ground which were doing harm to the soil of the earth. So we collected all that, and it was almost like 7 kgs or the 12 kgs, I suppose, I don't remember that much, but we collected that kgs of. Not only here, my women group, which I am doing the social work in my life, that I with my 35 friends from the organization, we went to Central Park and we made a plog run. And I got my registered on the Fit India movement site also, and we got a certificate from that. And we took a one round of the Central Park. The Central Park in Jaipur is a beautiful place to walk around. And to our surprise, even we were hardly finding a polythene and that, but even then the 8 bags of our was filled with the waste material, and we threw it in the garbage pit. And this pandemic area, when the students are not joining the Google Meet because they may not be having the money to recharge their mobile, or because their parents have lost the jobs. So I called all my students who are once my students, now in doing jobs, they are in the companies or doing some business, to my home, and I had a very big meeting with them that look, we are facing a situation, can you come out with the help? They all agreed. They are the KVNs, so they are always with the KVN. I took some of the students to my deputy commissioner, Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan RO, and asked them, Sir, kindly let them give some projects so that these students can be a great help to us. And we are coming up with lots and lots of projects, and the alumni is also doing the this COVID area, and they have this COVID area, they have formed a group, and that if anybody needs the blood and all that, and this is how. And one of the alumni student, they have recharged some of the mobiles of the phone, and even some of the students are in very fond of changing their mobiles. So we are collecting the mobiles also, so that it can be given to the weaker section of the society. There's a my school is running in a barracks of the CISF area. So this new school building is under the construction. So that school will be handed over to us in the month of the October, around August, or maybe in September or in October. But before that, during the monsoon period, we all teachers, parents, and the CISF area went to the construction site, and we planted lots and lots of trees there, so that when we get the building, the trees are already there. And there is a donation by the Union Bank of India, because our all accounts, the students' accounts are in the Union Bank. So we asked Union Bank to donate us something. So the Union Bank donated the chairs, the water purifier, and etc. And this is how we are in continuous touch with the parents. There is a VVN meeting, a parent teachers meeting, and VVN where the chairman comes, the parent representatives come, and there is a teacher representative and the principals of the different school, and there we put all our requirements, and the parents, they very well, they act as a supportive, positive attitude, and whatever the requirement the school can, whatever the parents can, whatever the CISF can, and this school is running very nicely.